Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by launching Word on your iPhone or iPad and signing into your Microsoft account so syncing works. Once done, grant files and cloud permissions to access documents. This avoids manual imports. Tap New or pick Recent to open a document. Choose OneDrive if you want automatic version history. Make sure to select a template when you need formatting shortcuts, because templates save time and keep styles consistent. You're now in the editor and ready to edit text directly. You edit by tapping the ribbon's Home tab to format text and apply styles. This controls headings, fonts, and spacing for consistent structure. Once done, use Insert for images, tables, and links so your layout stays accessible on mobile. Make sure to use the Draw tab for annotations with Apple Pencil, and use the floating keyboard or an external keyboard shortcuts for speed. If you need precise placement, pinch to zoom and use trackpad gestures to drag handles. That ensures accurate layout adjustments. You finish by ensuring autosave is active so changes are stored to OneDrive. This prevents data loss. Once done, tap Share to invite collaborators or export as PDF for fixed layout. Make sure to set editing permissions and link expiration when needed. If the document won't sync, check Wi-Fi or cellular data and confirm account status. Force close the app and reopen, and sign out then back in if problems persist. That quick sequence resolves most sync and permission issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.